Well, hello there, trader. This is Kurt Frankenberg from RadioActive Trading. Take a moment, breathe, and as you soak in the meaning of every word in this short video letter, think about how limiting your risk and maximizing your returns with a few simple tweaks could completely turn your trading around. I know you've already shown some interest in radioactive trading. Perhaps you downloaded a copy of The Sketch, our free white paper that blows the cover off of the notorious covered call method, pointing out its weaknesses and limitations, and giving the first of a series of far better alternatives. Or maybe you've been to one or more of our weekly free webinars, in which we not only show how to limit risk in any stock trade down to the single-digit percent level without a finicky stop order, but we also show you how to take income out of your stock using one or two of our 11 different income methods. Or maybe you've been to one of my online seminars in which I teach how you might even bulletproof your stock by buying a put option and then using one of the income methods to pay for the put option. Bulletproof is a curious state which allows you to hold a stock that's up a bit for further gain, but it no longer has any capital risk left to your account. You're intrigued. You keep coming to the free webinars. You've seen Mike, Ernie, our subscribers, and me do riskless nested plays for spendable income even when we're sitting on a bulletproof stock. But for whatever reason, you haven't made the plunge yet and picked up the blueprint or the Radioactive Trading Home Study Kit. The blueprint is 250 pages of 11 income methods, setups, and management techniques. And the Home Study Kit is simply the same material packaged in a series of audio-visual CDs. Even though it comes with a 100% money-back guarantee, which makes even your purchase of this information riskless. That's okay. It's hard sometimes to step out on faith. Believe me, no one knows better than I do. Back in the 90s, after shelling out over $6,000 worth of education and software investment in my education, I got an even more expensive education from the market itself when I went absolutely broke trying to figure out this stock and options game. Did anybody offer me a refund? No. But I don't want you to miss out on some information that could very well pay for itself 100 times over just because you've maybe been hurt before as well. There's a reason why now is the best time for you to stretch a bit, step out on faith, and pick up what may finally turn your trading life around. Now, some folks write in asking when our next sale is going to be, when we'll be offering the Radioactive Trading Home Study Kit or the Blueprint for a discount, and are shocked to learn that we don't ever do discounts. That's because radioactive trading products are not only the best in the field right now, but also because we provide support after the purchase. Besides, it kind of feels weird to sell Daisy a copy for $339 and then sell Donald the exact same product for just $1.99. Somebody's going to feel cheated, so we just don't go in for those shenanigans. We charge much less than the course is worth, back up our claims with personal service, offer support after the sale, and we actually trade these methods in our own accounts. Finally, we seal everything up with a 100% money-back guarantee. So no, we don't do discounts. But once a year, and I mean once, the gang over at Power Options adds a little extra incentive to add a few more members to the radioactive trading family. And this year's no exception. If you've been on the fence about getting the Radioactive Trading Home Study Kit with not 11, but now it's 12 income methods, including riskless spread trades done in the context of a radioactive profit machine, a special married put setup, I think you'll agree we've made it better and easier than ever before. The best part about the offer is that all the bonuses that you'll get free themselves add up to more than the cost of the Radioactive Trading Home Study Kit. But we're throwing them in. Also, if you do decide to exercise your 100% satisfaction guarantee and return your Home Study Kit or Blueprint, the bonuses are still yours to keep. It's said that 20% of the people get 80% of the results, and that's a fact. The question is, Are you one of the 20%? Are you the kind of person that sees an opportunity, weighs the risk, which in this case is nothing because of the 100% money back guarantee, but you weigh the risk against the reward and have the courage to take action at the necessary moment? Only you can decide that. Because this offer, the bonuses, and your unique opportunity all come to an end at 11:59:59 East Coast time this December 31st. Also, you've got to beat the hordes of others that are clicking the buy now button, because when we're sold out, that's it for this run of the Radioactive Trading Home Study Kit. So what are you waiting for? Come check out all the add-ons and incentives that go along with this year's end-of-the-year blowout. Bonus number 1, a Fusion electronic coupon, $118 value free. Fusion is a monthly subscription where you get to look over the shoulder of other radioactive traders. There are lessons that come to you once a week or more. There are the open trades where real-time live money is being traded by our traders in the markets, and you can watch what they're doing. The RPM report is refreshed 21 times a day with new picks for your radioactive profit machines. If you have a stock that's up, the stock insurance tool will advise you on the correct put to buy. And there's also members-only webinars and members-only white papers available only to Fusion subscribers. Bonus number 2, the fourth CD, Foundations of Radioactive Trading. That's an $89 value, and it contains information that's not included in the blueprint about asset allocation and all the principles that underlie radioactive trading so that you can come up with your own income methods. Bonus number 3, a month of Power Options. Now that normally costs $60, and I'm a customer of Power Options. Power Options is the tool that I use not only to find my married put trades, but also to get a snapshot of the before and after look if I'm going to do an income method. Here I am showing Facebook with income method number 5 applied, reducing my risk and also enhancing my return if Facebook makes it move to the upside. Kind of cool. Bonus number 4, the Quick Start Guide. Eliminate the guesswork about how to transition from covered calls or spread trading or just a plain vanilla stock portfolio and enter into the protected but exciting world of radioactive trading. Bonus number 5, here's something new, a $50 rebate for your radioactive trading success story. Send us an example trade where you made or saved more money than the cost of your blueprint or home study kit, and we'll give you a $50 rebate on your purchase. You win 3 ways, don't you? You have the blueprints, you have $50 back, and you also have a trade that paid for it in the first place. Bonus number 6, the 5th CD, free, a compilation of our most requested replay webinars, 4 exciting radioactive profit machine plays, plus 1 bonus webinar. Bonus number 7, email support free. If you want to have some explanation or clarification on any of the principles of radioactive trading, the setups, the income methods, or how to manage your techniques, a second set of eyes is invaluable. This is free with your blueprint or home study kit. Bonus number 8, never before have we offered free shipping, but free shipping is going to be available up until December 31st this year. $11 value in the United States and up to a $61 value for international orders. This year-end special ends at 11:59:59 p.m. on December 31st, so hurry. There's never, ever been a better time to get the Radioactive Trading Home Study Kit or the blueprint, but it ends in just a few weeks. Now, I've enclosed a few testimonials from folks like you that may have even balked a little at first. Check out the following unsolicited emails. We get them every year. Here's a fellow that actually worked on a derivatives trading desk and told me over the phone that our insights are very unique. Here's a fellow that says that the blueprint has stimulated him to further ideas of his own, and the principles that we apply, he's learning to apply in his own account. This fellow was excited that the blueprint was written in such a way that it was simple and easy to understand. He is grateful to understand the secret to winning in the market and to manage his risk. This fellow read the blueprint from cover to cover in one weekend. He told me he wished that he had had this information back in 2008. The market crash would have actually profited him instead of costing him. This fella told me that it's the most useful options book he's ever read, and it was well worth the money. This fellow was excited that out of his 9 trades, 8 of them were profitable and 3 were bulletproof. That means he can't lose, but he can hold on and see if he'll win more. This trader said that this was the best option system she had ever seen. And this gentleman said that after he got the course, he's already halfway through it and can't put it down, even after an investing career of over 20 years. There's other testimonials that flow in every day, including this one. You have a great service. Since I started using your strategies, I've made over $61,000 in 3 months. I really enjoy your service and product. Chris H. Okay, traders, so it's up to you. This year-end special ends at 11:59 p.m. on December 31st, so hurry. There's never, ever been a better time to get the Radioactive Trading Home Study Kit or the Blueprint, but it ends in just a few weeks. It's time to take action. Get your Blueprint today.